Hey guys, 405080 here. Got another big unboxing today. Yeah, let's get into it. I'm very good at censoring things. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. And there's some good stuff in here, so let's just start pulling it out. So first, we got a new T-bar. And this one is actually really nice because it is the break glass T-bar. Alright, so I gotta be pretty careful with this because I've been warned by people that these break glasses can break extremely easily. And that would not be good. So, moving on. This looks to be... it's pretty heavy. And I think I might know what it is, but I don't know for sure. So this is a pretty cool novelty item here. I don't think I'm going to be using it very much because you can't use it without breaking the glass. So yeah, along with this other T-bar, these will probably just be collector-only items and will stay on my shelf. But yeah, they're pretty cool nonetheless. So I don't know what this is. So got a 4250-120. I think this is the, yeah, I actually don't have one of these yet with the notched handle. All my other ones are the older, fully solid. So yeah, it's another cool device. And I think there's a few of those. So yeah, it looks like these are both 4250-120s too. So I'll go ahead and open these. This one's actually really interesting. The pull-down lettering is really dark. I don't know if that's from the age or just how it was made, but nonetheless, it's really cool. And there's another one in here with the dark letters too. And this one's actually a solid handle. So yeah, more 4250-120s. I have a good few 4250-120s now. Continuing the pull stations in here. These have actually been wanting for a very long time. Usability is really easy with these. These are Simplex 2099 9754s. Conventional T-bars. And yeah. And there is a second one as well. Now, I don't know what this is exactly. Oh wait, never mind, I know what it is. I actually forgot I was getting this. It is a really old system sensor strobe, and it has the small letters, which I really like. So yeah. Now, here's the last couple of alarms. I got some alarms with it too, so let's go ahead and open these up. So right here, there is a TrueAlert strobe. And this is a 4906-9101 Smart Sync, which is totally fine because I, as you know, have Smart Sync. Alright, here's another one. I'm gonna assume it's the same as this one, but it doesn't have the label plate on it. But yeah, that's cool. I will definitely make sure it's... yeah, I don't see it, but that's fine. Because, yep. Now in here, we got two more alarms. And you got Alright, so this one, we got a TrueAlert horn strobe. This is a 4903-9418, which I believe is Smart Sync. But I will definitely double check. But yeah, that's a good nice alarm. A second one of those right here. So yeah, a lot of cool Simplex stuff, but there's one more thing that is in this box. So first, we got this binder here, which is very cool. It's a 4006 control panel, and it is all the instructions for this panel. And the reason I need the instructions is in here. I have a 4006 fire alarm control panel, which is very cool. I'm gonna have to set the camera down to move it, so. It's heavy. Alright, so here it is in all its glory, the 4006. Looks like there's some, there's some end-of-line resistors here, which is very nice to have. I'll have to make sure that these stay with it. And here is the 4006, which is really cool. And I can't wait to get it powered up. But yeah, that is gonna be pretty much it. Got a lot of cool stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching.